in Tattoo. Chase, because he's the reason why I smoked. Yeah.
Hey, the God, this other time, I think it has been like a year. That who,
No
one
toilet.
way, no toilet. Is that one way in? So on my way, I get off better kitchening, looking at the door, and I've been home. Hey son, that's where like I lost my vision, I lost shit. I don't even remember what happened there. But I just remember going with my head,
So basically, Vest did this. Basically,
So she see the man, it was messed up now.
what you say? But you can see.
I have to take it out.
You can see.
Because of you burned it before we saw it. We gave you 9.5.
9.5 W. Polyfresh is the highest rating. We're not.
W.
We don't get to shoot a lot of music videos. I think this year maybe Jaja will bless us and then we get bored with shooting music videos. Maybe at least then.
You've been dropping nice videos though. You've been,
It's
you've
not
been really
enough.
dropping.
It's not enough. Shy me with my favorite level.
Eh, tsirele ka mona o papa masegele ka nkana go tlole jalo ka di motlanyana ka potsona di kankana tsela ka di chiefs that's kamba baka mona ke kankana you know straight up mad to the bar that baby
That baby only. It's easy. Cares, dog. Any
Yeah.
day, cares.
Yeah.
Like I mean, dog.
Your
Like,
Fab for the first time is like, nah, bruh.
like how
Yeah.
Feb was able to go out.
Yeah.
Feb was being able to go out because Kibo is part of the mission.
Yeah. A question. What tickles your fancy? I find the blood does me wonders. Should I feel anti? I digress. I'm kufe for 10 slay. Mas kulume. Fuck the camaraderie. See him be into kulume.
All right. Ngimele izandla zakho and izandla zakho ishayima. Am I okay, mina mfethu? Yeah.
Are we nice also?
Yeah. Okay.
Niggas is tired. I know niggas is dead. Oh,
It's bland.
hip hop saved your lives.
Let's go. Sanbonani and welcome to it. Yes. Another episode by episode 3. Yes, episode 3. And indawo bengabakuphatha kahle, I'm gonna say this for the last time because angiyahamba manje comfort. Ngiyazi ukuthi ungilebele ngiphatha kahle these 2 weeks. Shout out to Cole, shout out to Navy Green for hosting us. It's been a crazy 3 weeks. Mara ngiyavaya. This is the last time silana ngiyavaya manje ngiyabona futhi ukuthi khona ezinye sezifuna ukuzenzela izinto kayi. Kayi ngase konje bathi ngase khabishini. Welcome to it, man. It's another episode of It's Blunt with yours truly, DJ OB Gwala. It's a third episode. The first one was crazy. Shout out. See, I told you I need to work on the
What you say?
Shout out, man. I've loved my time, Lana. Navy Green. I got to host the old to the now, and now before Mvaya, I have the future, bruh. And it's crazy for me to have these guys who are coming up next. And I tell you this for free, bruh. This is the future of Vaal hip hop, and I give you Sway and Fresh.
What's the YOLA? We not the same. What's the level? People okay. What you say?
Come on.
With OB hits plants episode 3. Watch y'all niggas say the future, Lutili.
Come on, bro. Facts only.
What you say, G?
Facts only, bro. You guys dropped one of the dopest albums last year, and it's crazy to see a feedback from people that who are just in a way, kind of starting in with this whole thing, the whole album's trying to make things fit, and it's a yes everywhere. Even the Mahot Man Lawa and the Liventi, now like, yeah, like everybody's going for you guys. Like, you dropped a massive album, guys. That's crazy, but you are the future, basically. That's what I'm trying to say. You guys are definitely the future. Yeah. Yeah. For those who don't know, Foot Nakona see Lung is before anyway things. She's introduced it from this side to this side. So that see Bonnie actually more from we look at it today and then he dissected grand. Yeah.
I go by the name of must be say no, everywhere I just go he must say whatever welling.
I go by the name of Fresh, aka Fresh God.
No.
OB said, "In the future."
The future, bro. In the future,
In
bro.
the
Come on.
future. Come now.
Let's go. Let's go.
Come
Let's
now.
go. All right, man. As we normally do with the show when we kickstart, we do roll up. This is our first segment where we get to see how are they when it comes to rolling a J, all right? So let's get to it. Navy,
favorite part of the show.
He's the blood. He's the blood.
Ice cream cake you can get it from Navy Green, $80 a gram.
What you say? W Navy with the ice cream. What? Ice cream cake. $80, dog.
Let me put this plate. $80. Put me out of this.
Yo, Navy.
All right, man. Who's gonna be rolling?
It's fresh.
Yeah. Yeah, let's go. So when we roll, basically when we start off everything, we're gonna be going through stories of weed, some of the craziest stories of weed. When did you guys start Futsi Kale from there? When did you guys start smoking weed? Do you still remember the first time? You shot the first time.
I forgot the first. I think I do remember the first time. I have this cousin. So now, when I give him kid, I was on 6. So now I live kid. We like those cool niggas. Like it's anti cool, it's from Bev, it's anti fly one time. So I have this cousin Tato. Gam chase, because he's the reason why I smoke. Yeah. That nigga's the reason why I smoke weed today. That was like the first time where I smoked weed, and it was like crazy because boy, now you smoking weed, Kim Kitty. One dollar. So tamo to talan chana bu family, tamo lo bual bu family. It's my first time, yo. I remember just dozing out and sleeping. I remember just sleeping, passing out. It was crazy, yo. It was crazy. It's different. The first time is different. Yeah.
The first time is crazy.
Me,
Fresh?
I smoked a lot. I don't even remember when. For the longest time, I can't even remember. But I just remember
the crazy story of it.
The crazy story of it.
The craziest story where you got.
Hey, like this other time, I think it has been like a year, bro. So then it was like that time, what's it, and stuff. Because usually, when like we writing exams and stuff, when you were writing exams, I got 12. I get about 12 scholars out. So then we linked up with these other brews of mine. When that day we just planned on like having a session. I don't think I don't think they still smoke.
Oh yeah, Banjari, I'm on watching feel.
They still smoke. Only socks. Socks was there. Socks was there. So hey, dog, there we bought like a whole pack of lean while we were still on lean and shit. Had gang weed and stuff. So the time we left, I was because it was cold that day. I didn't feel high and shit. I didn't feel high for shit. Hey, dog, the minute when I got in the crib, dog, I tell you what, I would cheat. Yeah, we beat. One tall. As soon as I got that, he
Unobata.
hey, hence why I wasn't feeling high, I wasn't feeling high because it was cold. So,
Hey. Okay. Navy.
but we still out.
Yeah, we still
Nevi Bulabilu.
Hey, dog, him long fit too. Ish, mangena endlini la. Shy black out, Same time. Down there he waved, like it just came to, it was too much, So now, Akire was still a 4-room. So on my way.
Adi wotisha abitara, I sell it for room.
I sell 4-room. So it was still a 4-room, It's that kitchen, dining room, 2 bedrooms, It's the one way. No toilet. It's that one way in, So on my way, I get off petara kitchening, looking at the door, and a bedroom. Hey son, that's where like I lost my vision, I lost shit. I don't even remember what happened there. But I just remember going with my head.
So basically, Fresh did this. Basically, that's what Fresh did, dog.
Bro, I blacked out and I was out on the water. So now, that noise in jail, the way it was like so fucking drastic, that even like Binds in China, what's up? What's up?
This was just me, your one.
You wanna hear my response? Delayed.
Oh yeah.
Big time, I don't wanna lie.
Which strain do you guys prefer? Do you even prefer weave strain?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, no,
I get no, like we also have a dispensary.
Yeah.
So there's this strain. It's a new strain now. Gas, yeah.
The gas bus.
Gas bus. It's crazy greenhouse.
I wasn't gonna go to the high. I'm gonna
Crazy.
get this. I want all of this.
Crazy greenhouse.
When you get to the high there,
Yeah.
say you want gas bus.
Only. That's the strain I
That's
prefer.
our favorite strain right now.
Now. Also, it changes plus Galama strain because you guys always have a strain match. I was asking in a call the other day. Hey, there's something new every week.
Yeah.
There's always something.
And we also had 5 grams last week.
Yeah.
Hey dog, it's crazy.
So what's your favorite is what now?
Gas bus.
Gas bus.
Gas bus.
And what is it? Is it an indoor high grade?
It's great. Everything is high grade. You can't have a dispensary
And
and you
not
don't sell
sell-
high grade,
yeah.
dog.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah.
What's this level?
What you doing? What's the YOLAs, my bro?
We're not the same.
What's the YOLAs,
If
my
you
bro?
want your 10 rand level, dog, go to Habuti or my man's, my $1. Hey.
And then you know what's crazy, dog? That
Yakoni.
you know what's crazy, man. You know what's crazy. You wanna know what's crazy?
Yeah.
For that time, the story I just talked about now, it's not that I even smoke like good weed like that. Nelbo Swazi or some shit. So it's funny thinking about it. Oh shit, I got knocked out by swag usual. Like Swazi is too swag. Swazi is swag. Compared to shit we smoke now.
And what do you prefer? Pre-rolls or you wanna roll it up?
I like rolling.
First likes rolling. I don't know. Disclaimer, I never learned how to roll.
Yeah.
I like rolling.
Because I don't want to become like OB, dog.
Come on.
I don't want to become like OB, dog. Yo, I don't want to become like OB. But I'm slowly becoming like OB, so I don't know. Yo.
So with weed itself, I had a conversation the other day with Upif, and he was saying he was smoking way before Abada, even no Bada, no weed. Somehow, does it work for you guys when you write? Do you even consider using it for inspiration or anything?
Hey, like first shout out, we have a dispensary now. Like I will shout out to Uzi Zox. So we managing that place. So okay, for us is that because you got when you have we are artists and then we have studio at the shop. Like we always have studio at the shop. So most of our customers, they just come, babo, and they like, yeah, people just like watching us record, babo. And then we smoke all of us, and whatever conversations that we may have,
It's dope.
they actually like make it on the song, like or small sounds or somebody laughing.
Yeah.
Yeah, again, if it
Babo.
sounds crazy.
Yeah, again, babo. So it does. It does. But I wouldn't say, hey man, I need to hit blunt.
Every
one
time
time.
you write, nah.
Babo, hey. But it does help because like, yo, you get to zone, you get to zone, and then you start.
Yeah.
It just takes you to like a wide perspective of you.
Also, plus like we are funny people, so that's why you would hear like some lyrics are just funny. Until because of it's the weed. So we like making jokes in our songs.
Yeah.
So it's kinda I guess I talk.
I hloka mare, like not.
Yeah. It's
Not
not
like-
a thing.
yeah.
I don't like
Not a mask.
Cause I can still wake up in the morning and be like, yo, I shouldn't read.
yeah, ne.
Yeah, I shouldn't record. I get all of verses on. All I shouldn't record no G.
It's crazy how I look at you now while I'm doing this interview and I'm thinking these guys they've been rapping for so long need to like this.
Yeah.
And the crazy thing lay up there I'm sentences and
Oh yeah.
what is that? What is this? Is this a mob thing? What
I
is-
don't know what's
like,
this
I'm trying to figure
level.
out if Feb was still part of this.
Yo.
He's there.
Are you like that even now? Feb,
Yeah,
and now you do this.
Yeah, we had a call with him before,
Yeah.
right before we came here.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's dope.
Yeah, we had a call.
Yo, even if you could go on a video call now,
Yeah.
What you
He's still like
say?
that. What's that like?
Say.
Yo, still in it.
Shout out to Feb. Shout out to
Beep
Feb.
beep 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 beep.
Shout out.
Yeah, we like this. I think it's a we grew up together thing.
Yeah.
Fresh is my best friend.
Yeah.
The mob in general.
Yeah.
We like
Fair.
best friends until all of us.
Fair. I've seen some of the stories you guys you've been around
Yo, this-
together in Lalema, in the same place.
Hey.
Doing all this. Let's also they done by fam, right? It's family thing. It's not just a movement as a mob,
sure.
Like it's very dope. I love what you guys have done with the new school football.
Shout out,
even
Josh.
with the mob, even if you guys are not as a trio. It's still the same. We're still getting the joy that we want from
As
the mob.
like,
Still, like we're still getting so much from Mufab. We're still getting so much from you guys, and it's crazy. Like, how do you write? How do you write now? Like with the new album that you wrote, do you do a 16 and say, hey, Katela Mo? How do you guys write? Is it always like this?
It always starts with freestyles.
Yeah, just freestyling, but not like us freestyling.
Yeah.
Metaphorically,
No.
I want to.
Easy shit. Easy
Yeah,
shit.
like
We can burn it up now.
Oh, the joint.
beep 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 beep.
Alright,
Nobody
let's
that's
see the
ever come
joint.
here, dog.
Ah.
What you say, G? What you say, G?
So is she see the man it was messed up like on top.
What you say? But you can see.
I have to take it out.
You can see.
Because of you burned it before we saw it. We'll give you 9.5.
9.5 W. Poly Fresh is the highest rating.
Yeah.
We're not.
W.
Fresh, dog.
No, I think you're leading Guma.
Stand on one now.
Yeah.
Stand on one now.
Some leave.
Yeah, they're leading you on number one.
Some leave. I'm still gonna hold a code.
What?
I'm still gonna hold a code.
Guys, why is he getting a 9?
What?
You guys are cheating.
Stand on also. Stand on one now.
Stana.
Stand on, bro.
Stana.
Stand on, you see.
Stana.
Hey,
Stana.
hey, dog, this nigga. Yo.
Stop playing, bro.
9.5.
9.5, boy.
We don't wanna smoke a joint with clogs. Now we can prove.
Now we have to do this. Stand on, Yoli.
Sugar.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys were saying as we wrap up, you roll up. You were saying
Roll up.
how do you guys write?
Writing process.
Yeah, you're writing process now.
And let me tell you a funny story. Like the song that we wrote, M00 Re Tswang, on our debut. Our people call it a.
EP.
Yeah, it's a
It's a
mixtape.
mixtape,
Right?
actually, but
Yeah.
then, you know,
People say album.
Album.
What?
Yeah.
we actually had to Google and like,
Which is me. What are we calling it?
hey, what's the album? What?
See,
What?
about the future.
Yeah.
Hey.
Yeah,
Yeah, we learning.
I
As,
love this.
no, but we don't want to be on the internet. We have the best album.
you
And then
don't know
OB
what-
comes through with the proper answers because it's not the improper answers. Because he has experience. Ah, yeah, man, give me tape here. Until and then now, until. But like on that song, M00 Re Tswang, it's like my bro. Styela, you play, boy. I started taking shots. Yo. Hey, dog.
No.
You're guessing each other up all the time.
Ah,
Like,
you
what
know,
is this?
Styela knows. He's not all like me.
Dog.
Styela, you know.
Styela like exactly like,
Then
hey,
we realize straight.
hey, dog.
I see the energy there.
You see that energy? It's the same energy we take
I
when
see.
we go to the studio.
Yeah. No, I see, bro.
Yeah, you just bounce off each other
Yeah.
and stuff.
Like
Oh,
it's so beautiful because the other one doing a high pitched voice and you have this deep voice and the way you guys just rap and then
with
you
Fab,
just
with
compliment each
Fab,
other
Imagine
very
with
easy.
Fab,
It sounds
with,
very easy.
with Fab, it's that we have a crazy one,
Yeah.
we have a high pitched one, and then we have this.
Yeah.
Oh,
Crazy.
so the combo just
Crazy.
makes it like crazy and stuff. Oh.
Crazy.
So like we were saying, almost all of the songs we did came from freestyles. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was not even that I'm gonna be going like Sir was saying metaphorically. Nah, we just play a beat, have fun,
Organic shit.
and then if you hear 2 lines or 3 lines, dance it on same sound. Hey, sweet.
Tjaka kwetse fapengare militar.
One on two. Like that's how we do it.
Okay, we gaslight each other so much
Yeah.
that we end up making hit songs, dog.
I
don't know. I don't know.
It's working.
I don't know.
Yeah, for real.
No, for real, it's working. It's working. I see it. It's working. It's
Couple
working.
yards.
It's working. Now I have this one. All right, we're gonna be moving around. Yeah, okay, guys. Hits plant.
Seems like
Like
OB
and
doesn't want to
subscribe.
smoke or some shit.
OB doesn't like the OB.
Like and subscribe. Big shout out to Score of Fate. I'm gonna introduce Score to the next segment as part of the shots, right? So
What
if
you
you
say?
don't wanna do the Zambuka.
We do it the kombucha way.
Yeah.
If you
Shout
don't
out.
wanna do
We're gonna
some
score it
buka,
in.
we're gonna
Shout out to
score.
Score.
You know.
To score as we move on to half or pass, right?
Yeah, you
Pass,
score in
pass,
the
pass,
chair.
pass. So I'm gonna ask you 2 questions,
Yeah.
and then you choose pass. You take a shot. You choose both. You take a shot. So you need one answer, and then we move on. Yeah, but we
Okay.
wanna take a path. If you give us one answer, we take a path.
Yeah.
But if you choose, I don't want to answer that, you take a shot. If you choose both of those people, you take a shot.
You take a shot. Either
Yeah.
way.
Let's go. Hits blunt. First question, G. First question. For you, and I love good. My questions have been about Tikas because I love Vaal hip hop and I'm always gonna be Vaal hip hop and
Yeah,
I'll put Vaal hip hop over everything.
It's actually in a
all
good
day,
space.
every day.
Yeah.
That's why I podcast Styela in this region. Cause
Yeah.
I'm 016, man. I'm 016. I say, Kalinji, Sam or Masiti.
Yo. This nigga just came from
Hey.
to and now
I
it's
want
there.
it right.
Oh, that's so dramatic. That's so dramatic.
Yeah.
But it's a crazy one. It's a crazy one because like they both OGs.
Yeah.
We actually
Are
we
these
actually
shorts?
know.
Is this a short thing? What is this a crazy one? Is it both?
Ash-
Is it what is the?
We have not answering
Is
anything,
it
dog.
both?
We have not
Me-
answering.
Passing straight.
We have already anyone, dog.
Me I take it. Ash. I know both of these OGs.
Personally.
Yeah, personally, we worked with them.
Personally.
So man, like they both incredible, man. Like they both have their own style, which influenced game Vaal, I'd say that.
Yeah.
Abo.
Yeah.
So Sam has a right to say, I'm the king of Turepkas. That's what he says on Vaal, ne?
Yes.
Yeah, he has a right to say that. 'cause-
Yes.
Yeah, he has a right to say that because
Yeah.
Vaal, he shaped the game, in general.
Especially now, dog.
Yeah. Oh, also hitting that million views, like it's
Yeah, it's
crazy.
crazy.
Shout out
W
OG
Sam.
Sensei.
Shout out.
Oh, you giving it to
W.
Sam? You giving it to Sam?
No, I'm for that 1 million. Nah, what you say? Shout out to that 1 million views. Shout out Just Sam. Shout out to
Crazy
OG.
song, classic. We
Yeah,
have
that-
one.
yeah,
we
that-
definitely have one.
It's a classic. It's a classic.
Yeah,
So, yeah, man.
it's both.
Both.
But this time I think I'm gonna have to go with like Just Sam.
Just Sam,
Yeah, it's not even about like him and like he's a genius. He's a fucking genius.
Facts.
Sam is a fucking genius. He can make a lyric out of something out of here. Something. So one time, and it would still make sense.
One time.
Yeah, this one I give it to Masemi.
W say, what you say?
Alright, young hot man. Okay. So
be
you're
honest.
okay, as you said, love both of them.
I love both
You
of
already
them.
talk.
dog.
You already so you shining a little shot.
I'm already done, dog.
Yeah,
Yo,
I know.
me.
You and that.
Dog, let's take shots, dog. Guys, shots o'clock. We are
A
shit.
tough one.
But
Okay.
you mean,
Zuchi Coke Dope or Mesh Pits?
Dog,
definitely.
it's Zuchi, bro.
Yeah.
What you saying?
What?
Zuchi.
That guy's Zuchi.
Zuchi.
Definitely Zuchi. Zuchi cooked dope.
Let's keep it on Zuyoli.
Crazy.
Yo.
Also, like what's crazy about Zoo is even if he doesn't drop, he's still Zoo.
You know what's the crazy thing about
You can
Zuyoli?
still find him in other songs,
Yeah.
even though he's not.
He's
writing,
behind
but
on
he's
like all
behind
the big
it.
songs, dog.
Yeah.
Like if Linda, like I swear, dog. Shout out to LA. LA was able to be in one room with
Shout out
Zoo,
to
dog.
LA.
Until like, that's
LA,
crazy.
shout out LA.
Until on the 25K. So Nchara LA Lena Sanal Sama. So you
Yeah.
can this guy. Hey, don't sleep on LA, dog.
Yeah.
Guitar.
Got it right, boy.
Guitar.
Yeah.
Until- like being in the studio with Zuyoli. TM.B.T understands music on some other level. He can hear it by. He can just not take out music and still be Zoo, dog.
That doesn't work with, like that with you guys when you choose beats. It doesn't have to be beatly ratangly too, or it happens or sometimes you like the beat and he
We
doesn't.
both
Hey.
like the same thing.
All the time, bro. When it starts
All the
like,
time.
Yeah, if I like it, I know he's
Yeah.
gonna fuck with it.
Definitely, because like,
Crazy.
Also, even if let's say I don't like the beat,
Yeah.
if maybe,
I have to
if
make
may-
it.
Yeah,
I have
has
to
lay something
so he can like it.
on top.
Yeah.
So now I literally it's into the beat.
Yeah, that's
So you
crazy.
flow.
I'm surprised though with again you guys just straight Zuchi. Mesh has been.
Yeah,
putting
we
in
know,
work.
we know, but-
Yeah, but you know why?
There
You
was
know
always been
why?
a hesitation. Yada,
No. Mesh, I swear, Mesh needs Reese. Like, well, you see that combination with that Mesh and Reese combo. Like, for the longest time.
So much, bro.
Until
We miss so much.
it's like me and my niggas combination.
Yeah.
And then
We
with
miss
other
that shit. We
producers.
miss that shit. That shit made sense.
Yo,
Yeah,
But
no,
we're not saying,
Yeah.
he's not who he is. He is who he is. He's Mesh. That's Mesh.
Yeah.
that's
I wanna
Mesh,
work
dog.
with him one day.
Yeah, me too, dog.
Alright.
Yeah.
Okay. Coming back for Tekazi.
Let's go.
This one I'm sure is about biased as hell, but
As
yeah, I
fuck.
want to hear this. Either way, Fab or Dookie gone green.
Yola. Sorry, my bro Dookie. I'm gonna have to go with my brother.
It biased this, like, it biased, dog. Like,
This one's some biased shit.
Yeah, no lie.
but I'm taking the shots, niggas. Taking the shot, bro.
Shot.
No lie. Me, I'm just.
Shot.
I'm being honest.
Yeah.
Fabiola,
Respect to
dog.
both.
Yola. Not even on a personal level.
Yeah.
Craft wise.
Even with crowd.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fuck with Fab.
Yeah.
Fab is
I'm
crazy.
being biased. I'm
Yeah,
sorry,
yeah,
but don't fuck
yeah.
with Fab.
Fab is crazy, dog.
What? Come on.
Yo, Fab is crazy. Yo.
Yes. All right. Let's see where we at with the DJ Spitster or Slick.
Okay, me, dog. I spaced, I know. Probably we gonna meet sometime. We probably gonna see, cause OG's like famous and stuff. Hey, but like Slick has been out here. Yo.
Yeah.
Slick has been making the moves. Slick has been outside with them blacky niggas,
Yeah,
doing those balcony, what
On,
means.
switch on, yeah.
One time.
Yeah.
So
Oh
yeah.
no, actually, I'm on switch now. You're in the balcony.
Yeah,
Sorry,
this
yeah.
must be OG switchy
Yeah,
only.
yeah.
I go switch.
No.
What you say? I go
Someone
switch.
says W switch.
Yeah.
What you say?
Yeah, so you going with Slip.
Slick is crazy. Slick is like literally.
Overspeed, that was a Vaal.
You wouldn't never.
I'm just saying.
Why are
I'm
you
asking the question.
Why are you asking? Dog. Dog, you asking the. But like how? On some what's a Vaal, dog? What's a Vaal, bro? What's a Valioli? What you say? Yeah.
I took my shot.
Fresh dog. Hey, we still want to feature from
Oh, you
Speed,
already
dog.
took. Oh, man.
took my shot.
Guys, come on.
Fun fact.
Already took a shot.
Okay. Fun
Let me
fact.
take
Take what, dog?
I need to see.
Y'all took too many shots.
What's wrong with you guys?
Y'all took too many shots. There's no shots anymore.
Coming through, dog.
These niggas.
Navy.
Pew, 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 pew. He's coming through. He's coming
Also,
through.
shout out that cake level. And that cake, ice cream cake is.
Yeah, the ice cream cake is, yeah. It's ice creamy.
Oh, the one that you smoking now.
Yeah, it's ice creamy.
yeah.
It's ice
Ice
creamy.
creamy. Yeah.
Take your shots, my bro.
Yeah, here's my shot. You got
All right. Okay. See you now. Where's mine? Can I also
Take
just-
your one.
Yep.
I'm the host now, dog. I'm the host now, dog. I fair pa niggas now. We don't play. But I'm saying,
Shout out to
Slick.
both of them G's.
Slick, ne?
Slick.
All right. All right. Moving along. Next one. Max Kappa 25K.
Shy me with that. Shy me with my favorite level. Shy me.
Eh, tsirele ka mona, papa, masirele ka nkana, re tlole jalo ka di motlanyana, ka potsona di kankana. Tsela ka di chiefs, that's kamba. Baka mona re kanka. You know, straight up meds, di pa. Tate baby.
Tate baby only.
Shout out 25K
2K's
though.
out in Shy. Imagine the 2K on the internet. Shy mess with that. Tate baby only. Hey, Matty only.
Straight meds, straight
That's
meds.
crazy.
But shout out
This is crazy.
25K.
What is meant to you guys? Like, I would normally ask myself because he was one of the few guys really to rap in Vedek in the super rap.
I just
When
felt,
you
I don't
see
feel
that,
that. I
what
just felt
is-
guilty right now.
Yeah.
But we were calling ourselves with them OG beefs niggas and
At
what.
the time you were calling with the OGB.
Yeah, we out with the OG beef, power. So we never got a chance to. Yeah, but like the time when we were like falling in love with music,
Yeah.
I think it was around the time when Matt was falling out of love of Snap.
Okay.
For that time, until
Alright,
so we only got to hear that until about
Hey, those days.
how was those days for you?
Yeah, thing is,
Come on.
he's not mentioned a lot now.
Yeah.
I don't know why.
Okay.
But he's still a true
I have a
legend.
question.
Yeah,
I
he's
have
a
a
legend.
question.
He's a
I have a
I
question.
think maybe it's that. Okay, sharp. I can't do it. I couldn't do it. Let me just give what I have to the youngins coming now.
The future.
The future, bro.
Until, like,
Yeah.
it's like,
Yeah.
it would be also be dope, Babo, if like you could do that for the youngins.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like there's a lot of youngins that are rapping now
Yeah.
in the Vaal, Babo. But embrace like culture, Babo. The lingo, Babo. Like there's a lot of rappers now. A lot of our rappers.
True, bro.
So I think maybe he should take it as a legend, just pass it on to like these youngins that are coming.
Yeah.
Yeah, like what he did for Dookie. The verse I recited, it's his verse from the Dookie.
Hey, shout out for the mention,
collab.
Dookie
Oh, that's
Olis.
dope.
Shout
Yeah.
out for the mention, man.
Yeah, I love that verse.
Yeah, shout out to Dookie, bro. Shout out to Dookie. All right, recording or performing live? Which one are we going with in this one?
You know.
You love being in the
I
studio,
perform
you love
it
being
live.
outside.
Performing live. Being
Yeah.
still in the VIP, but we outside, dog.
You know, it
dog.
won't make sense
Yeah.
if you're not outside for real.
Yeah.
You have to be outside
Like,
for us to say we
not a
still
lot
in
of
the
people.
VIP.
Not a lot of people understand how boring the recording process is. It's stressful. Like the person you see me now
Yeah.
outside is not that way. That is recording. Oh, we can tell you, dog. March on some aggressive level, dog. Oh, I'm trying to get this level. So until
Yeah.
It's quite frustrating.
Mario, like performing.
I think more you cheating, guys. Like I think this one is a shot. You have a studio, a shop and you're always fucking recording.
What
So
time?
you must laugh, no record.
It's in, oh,
You're
man,
not
it's
cheating
already,
now.
it's already in
You're
the blood.
there's a book away.
It's already
Where's the Zambuca? Zambuca outlook.
Kombucha way.
Kombucha way.
No, but
I've been trying to.
performing live is
I've
crazy.
been telling
Crazy.
these niggas, ne. OG, sweet.
Yeah.
We out here with the kombucha,
Yeah.
not the kombucha.
The
way.
kombucha.
The kombucha
kombucha
lab.
way.
Kombucha.
You feel me?
The
So
kombucha
it's in,
level.
yeah, the recording level, it's already in the process. Like it's already in the blood.
Already
So
Yeah, yeah.
I can't just say performing, knowing I don't have music. Obvious, we say we like performing because
Yes,
we
now.
have songs.
Yes,
That's
now.
something.
Gang, dog.
Yeah.
Catalog in me, I'm big.
Performing
Yeah.
over everything.
And then with visuals, is it music video or
Oh.
audio?
I think it's always like it's really relevant to that you're not used to, like shooting music videos. Like we don't get to shoot a lot of music videos. I think this year maybe Jaja will bless us and then we get bored with shooting music videos. Maybe at least
Yeah,
then.
'cause-
You've been dropping nice videos though. You've been,
It's
you've
not
been really
enough.
dropping.
It's not enough. It's not
Dope,
enough.
dope.
You know what's crazy?
Styela
It
is
was
one of
not
my
even-
favorite.
it was
also.
not even-
Come on.
like, it was not
Ah,
even-
Come on.
I know. It was not
Aye.
even mentioned on like the so-called
This level.
top 10.
Yeah.
Well, and like that's
It's
like,
so cold. Why is it so cold?
I don't know why you said with the comma level, yo, invented.
it's like an undercode.
It's not verified.
You. We're not sure.
Yeah, I mean, it's not
It's that level, the blue tick, and then tomorrow there's no blue tick anymore.
Ah, my brother.
What?
My brother was this level.
Didn't pay the subscription.
You see? It's
Yeah, you guys are
crazy.
crazy.
And like that's like the best video to ever come out of Vaal.
Bruh.
Yeah, the Black Maipatile level.
I don't know why
Yeah.
they're not giving it the
Y'all see,
credit.
bro, the Black Maipatile level. Nobody can do that, dog.
Nobody.
Nobody, bro.
Nobody. Like nobody. Nobody, my dog.
Respect.
But yeah.
Yeah.
Hard though.
On a lighter note, Saint Bougie Omahu. I love the compare Saint Bougie Omahu. I don't know why, but I love it. I love it.
Say, shout with the hotel yourself. Oh, I took an L. Shout with the hotel yourself. Oh.
That's a.
I heard the level.
That's an L.
Hey, shout with the hotel yourself now.
That's an L.
Hey,
Where are we
Mahu.
going with?
Mahu, dog. I will let Mahu come, mami.
Yeah. Anytime, bruh.
Any day, bro. Paula, I know you're gonna see this. I'm just okay. You know, I love you, dog. My girl over everything.
And
dog.
then I apologize. Guys.
I take a shot. I
Fresh
don't wanna
for you.
ask.
Baby girl.
I don't wanna ask. I don't wanna. You.
You already gave us
Mahu
one,
or
bruh.
who?
Saint
Mahu
Bougie.
or nobody. Take it back.
Baby girl.
Ah, so exposing. It's too late now.
You know I love you, dog.
Yeah. You taking a shot,
Ooh, let's talk. Ooh. I thought me, dog. I'm ending this relationship, dog.
I'm loyal to the death, yo.
Yeah.
I'm loyal to death.
All right. Back to Kasi again.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's
PK
go.
or Rhythm Lodge?
You know. Dog.
We biased with it also.
I
Me,
will
I'm
drink the
biased.
whole thing.
Yeah.
The whole kombucha. I drink the whole kombucha, yo, only dog.
Where is this? PK or
It's
Rhythm
the
Lodge?
BK.
We
The
go
BK
BK.
level.
It's the BK.
Even though,
It's the BK level,
even though we got to perform like one time,
Yeah.
But shout out to Bada G.
How
Shout out
was
to
it?
Big
How
Manja.
was it?
It was so
it
weird.
was,
It was so weird.
because it was our first time actually.
Why was
'Cause
it
we've
weird?
been,
It was so
we've
weird.
we've been,
Yo, these,
Oh.
Yeah.
these niggas are weak, dog. They don't like smoking.
Yeah.
Akibo on TV, Samas.
We smoking, yeah.
I
child.
didn't see smoking.
What's up?
Let's try it at them. Let's try it at them.
It's me.
So what was weird? What was weird about it? Like I wouldn't understand. Come on, what is this?
In the first time, me. Oh.
It's Tatiana, niggas. There's no-
Yeah, it's
It's
full of
Tatiana.
Italian.
It's Tatiana way, yo.
Yeah.
And honestly speaking, what we doing, I don't think it's
It's Tatiana.
yeah, it's not Milano even.
Yeah.
No.
There's this interview I did. Hey, I wanna tell the brew to cut that level out. Bro. I thought what we doing is Milano, but
Because
hey,
of you said.
How? Because of me, food.
You know what you said. You know,
Okay,
remember
so-
what you said.
What?
Remember what you said.
Oh, he asked what's our sound again.
He said
What's the sound we doing?
bad. And then you said on Facebook, and then you were like, I think this new wave called the Styela way rap.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, Styela raps.
Styela
yeah.
raps.
Styliana straight, yeah.
Yeah, man.
No,
That
that's-
was why.
wait, all right.
That's why on
Oh,
that
Let's
other.
come to that, man.
As
No, we can,
We've been
easy,
through a lot of
easy.
podcasts. Come on, we can
Easy.
say. That's
Yeah.
what you said on that other podcast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No,
That's why.
easy.
Well,
So,
well, okay,
wait, let me explain.
Let me finish.
In an
it,
easy
let me
way.
finish
Oh,
this
finish.
one. So I want to tell the crew to cut the level out. I don't think what we're doing is Milano.
Yeah.
Because we're not. Okay, yeah, we are bragging, but we actually value life in a certain way, wabo. Like even in the raps, like you can still hear it through all that hard beat and that trappy vibe.
Yeah.
There's like meaning like in those lyrics, wabo.
Yeah.
Like if you can listen to our music, like it's that. Even though we like,
Styliana to sit there
bunch of,
like
like
this.
there's meaning
Yeah.
behind that.
Yeah.
So what's also fucked up about the industry, the Vaal, there's no genius
Yeah.
where we can break down our lyrics, my head.
Yeah,
That's
what's
our
it's
job to
fine.
do. That's our job to do. That's like what we trying to do now. wabo.
Yeah, and the lingo is kawata somewhere
Wabo.
Yeah. Yeah.
Wabo.
I
So
hear you.
yeah, so we recently found out there's Milano raps, Styliana raps,
Yeah.
hip hop, like
Yeah.
it's hip hop, just making
All right, so
hip hop music.
with the Styliana thing, guys, and I want to explain this in one. I'm a genres, people that are doing music, they don't want to be boxed. Artists never want to be boxed. So whatever you want to do, it's your shit. That's who you are. Nobody can never tell you who to win that. There's business side of things. People that want to brand shit, you know? So they ended up grouping Abantu as a certain genre. So that's how the genre thing works. And Neo Soul was never supposed to be Neo Soul, but because Maxwell, Nabuerika,
They did that.
D'Angelo, they had their own thing. Those people were now were you doing Neo Soul? They're like, no, I wasn't doing Neo Soul. We were just grouped as Neo Soul, and that's what we made because they sound similar to Neo Soul, and that's how genre works. With mumble rap, you know, mumble rap niggas, they all sound the same.
They all sound the
mumble rap,
same. They all
yeah.
sound
So
the
even
same.
with you guys, you might be doing Milano or doing whatever, but to somebody who
To a
wants
listener.
to sell that thing, I call it Stadiane, you know, because it sounds the same gimme to somebody who's gonna sell this thing. And this is what I said. I'm gonna sell Stadiane.
Yeah,
I'm gonna sell
Styliana
Styliana.
way, though.
Can you
What's
I'm
it?
gonna sell
Say
Styliana.
Can you
Styliana.
call it a
I'm
subgenre?
gonna sell Styliana. It's Stadiana, guys. I wanna.
You can't even say it's a subgenre.
You don't need Gucci ube part of it. Like I said this to the husband. I was explaining to what Gucci. It's not even about. It sound yakho, bro. The fact that you're from Vaal and you know Italian and you pagamisu 18 and you're saying Stadian, then you're part of Stadian. This is how this genre thing works.
Yeah.
You might be even doing it boom bap on that boom bap shit. Yeah,
Because
you
that's
throw
what
in a
OGB
Stadiana
said.
flex.
OGB
That's a
said that.
Stadiana,
OGB said that to us
That's a
this other
Stadiana.
time. It's like,
Yeah.
okay, because we, like, even till today, or until I know where Feb is,
Yeah.
I know Fresh is, and where I am at. We don't even know what we're doing until
We're doing top news.
we don't know.
Now, guys, I'm gonna sell Stadiana for what it's
Ah,
worth.
say
I
it,
still
say it.
stick to my shit. I'm gonna sell that. I'm gonna package Stadiana and I'm gonna sell Stadiana.
Me also, I say, yeah, I can say like.
Sam is Stadiana, guys. Sam Vetu
is Stadiana way,
is a
Heavy.
perfect example. If
Stadiana.
somebody were to
It's
ask
the
me
Stadiana
what's
way.
Stadiana, I'll say go you listen to Sam. Go get
Yeah, man.
And then
Osha,
there's-
go get
But
everything.
otherwise, though, like us, we really cannot be boxed. And
these niggas are playing
unpredictable.
exclusive.
Yeah,
Okay, it's also 2026.
yeah,
Yeah, it's a great year for our listeners, actually.
yeah.
We're going crazy this year.
Yeah, and you guys need to
Yeah,
shine.
we're actually
food.
doing a lot of sounds. Like, we're trying to venture until we
Yeah,
found
yeah.
what we actually comfortable doing.
Yeah. It's about that, bro. Finding yourself and be comfortable with what you're doing. People will love it.
So,
You don't need
like-
to sound like anyone. You don't need to sound like anyone.
Yeah. So the sounds we're gonna be dropping now, they're gonna be crazy. I don't wanna lie. It's something different to move on.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, that's like white people music, but still dark level.
All right. We dwelled on this. Let's move.
That was enough snack, ne?
Let's move on the easy ones, aka or Casper.
AKA your Casper.
On the easy ones now.
Ah, it's Cass. It's easy. It's easy. Cass, dog. Any
Yeah.
day, Cass. Yabo.
Yeah.
Like I meet dog.
Your
Like
fab for the first time is like, nah, bruh.
yes, yeah, dog, like
For the first time, like, nah.
I think he fucks with.
The super mega lever, Nick.
we have always
Where's the shots? Shout me with a
Navy.
Navy.
W Navy in the
Shout out to
chat.
Super Mega, bruh. Shout out
It
to
must
Super
be the
Mega.
session.
Shout out to Super Mega, bruh.
must be
We
the
lost
sessions.
a hero, yeah. Now we lost a hero as a hip hop community. We lost guys.
and then we lose Ricky.
Bruh. Shout out Ricky as
Shout
well,
out, shout out
bruh.
Navy.
Shit.
Shout out my brother Navy.
Yeah.
Out here starting us with the kombucha way.
What you
There's
say?
the kombucha.
W kombucha.
Yeah, take my shot for that shit.
Yeah.
Easily cast by OZ.
Yeah, easily cast for you. Yeah.
Yeah,
With his ninja alone, bruh. My fill up and everything. Would you guys consider working with such LOCAY as well, or do you even have a wish list of people that you wanna work with?
Yeah. Me, my wish list, Cass, of course, Reese, for starter, of course, until,
Yeah,
and then Zuchi, dog. Yeah, I wanna work
Zuchi
with
must be there.
Yeah, I wanna work with Zuchi Cook Dope, yo.
Yeah,
I think like if we get a chance to meet Zuchi, Oli Blakey.
That's my level.
Oh, that's your level.
yeah.
But like,
yeah.
yo, I wish like we could like.
Yeah, true. Nah, I believe.
My
I believe.
wish list, man.
Yeah.
Working with niggas. Some yama, that nigga's crazy. Also,
So yeah.
some yama.
Yeah.
W Becky, what you saying?
W Blackie in the chat. Also, kind of who's that nigga? Ken Kid.
Yeah. King Kid,
I
yeah.
feel
Shout
like-
out to King Kid as well. What?
Shout out-
The assist.
WK
Oh.
Kid in the chat.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think I wanna rap. Since I've been trapping a lot now, so I think I want them rapping.
What?
So that I can go back to that
That would be
rapping
crazy.
level.
Like I normally ask myself, good when sound velo on other beats, and not to say your beats are anything because you got five. Who's doing production there, guys? Who's doing
Everyone.
Like your shit sounds very nice. Like even in the mastering of the project, like everything Jay on that project, like it's proper.
And then that tape was made in the shop.
Bruh.
Yeah, sure.
Crazy. Who's mastering, my face?
Is this nigga low end? Bro?
You guys are sounding nice. Because like
You sounded nice.
if you don't say there's
Yeah,
no problem, niggas like, hey, this is fancy studios, got big
Sure,
old
and it's not
so
even
white
that.
one. And you always come across as that food because everything in it clean, like even
Yeah,
your
hey,
visuals,
hey,
like,
it's just
well,
like,
it's like everything is just clean.
We just like working with like niggas who are actually crazy or
Yeah.
in class.
Yeah.
Because
That
like
is dope.
we know like being an underdog.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's hard to come out. Like it's
it
hard
is.
to
There.
go, yo.
I think I interviewed you. at one
Yeah,
point.
you was there. Yo, you was there. You interviewed us. Yo,
Way back.
wait,
Yeah, remember
Sarah,
this?
yo, wait, Sarah.
It's crazy,
Wow,
bruh.
wow.
Crazy.
crazy.
Low
Shit.
end,
Yeah,
Flick,
yeah.
shout out Low end, shout out Flick Eyes, shout
Yeah.
out
30 days.
shout out 30 Days, shout out King Colo, shout out Traffic's Beats, shout out who am I missing?
Yeah, what are you messing up my next question? Because my next question is I wanted to
Best
ask no
producer.
Floki, no.
Looking
100
good.
beats.
We coming. I'm getting mentioning the underdogs.
Yeah.
Those like that are not like out there. Like it's niggas that we work with most of the time.
Shout out to them, man. Shout out.
to them niggas.
Yeah.
Shout out to them niggas, though.
Yeah. Producers get let's get to Cole no Floki.
Floki, like one thing about Floki, me and him, we go way back. Like I met Floki
Yeah,
before,
because Sway's been doing music for like the
the
longest,
longest time. Bro. Like,
This
I've been-
nigga's been out. Like,
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been out.
We met a couple of years ago, but it's not a couple
It's
of years
been,
ago.
yeah, it's
but
been.
It's not a couple of years ago.
Yeah. I also
This
I had a chat go Reggie Network. Shout out to Reggie.
Shout out to
Shout out
Reggie.
Reggie, man.
Shout out to
W
Reggie,
Reggie,
shout out to
man,
Reggie.
in the chat.
I'm watching the podcast and then he goes, even OB Gwala said it. I'm like, what? Shout out Reggie.
W Reggie.
wasn't expecting that.
Hey, it's crazy. It's crazy. Hey, dog.
I wasn't expecting that.
But
Watching
I'm
about
so.
like, ow.
Do you know what is crazy now? Like I'm loving the fact that like all y'all, like OGs, like sponsorize it out, so now we can have a
Yeah.
platform.
Yeah,
Can
yeah.
actually cause multiply the podcast. I was
Yeah,
on that other
yeah,
one.
yeah.
Until so.
And we boys, bro, we were working on something
crazy,
now.
bro.
Reggie, that's the nicest thing about now. I feel. Then to the Vaal is divided. It's some shit
It's
that
not.
I
It doesn't
don't
exist.
see.
Yeah, I don't.
And
I
like
don't
it's
see
crazy.
it. I don't
like,
see it.
I think it's more people looking out and saying, "I never
It's
did
the
not
outside
united,"
crowd.
and then they judge shit. When this thing on the woman said it's right, this thing on the woman was right, but people are gonna say, "I listen to Funan."
I don't know why.
Don't look for nobody. I'm like, what the fuck?
It's the outside crowd. I
Yeah.
think that's what happened to us as the mob.
Yeah.
That's why y'all are not seeing like us affiliates. Or
Yeah.
It was the outside crowd that like
Us being.
us up.
Yeah.
It almost came to a point where they wanted to fuck me and say,
Some dividers. Hey, man, I say it's fair. That's why it's weird when niggas like on a list and then they say fresh and say one time. It doesn't work like that. Like I feel like I'm nothing without fresh. Like as much as he's nothing without me. Until like if somebody can come, like a random person can come and say like, dog, say between you and fresh, dog, who do you think is like the better rapper or the better who? Me, I always say it's fresh, dog. One time, so it's fresh, and he would say that, and people would make a joke about that. It's like, ah, dog, you what's a fresh, fresh is quay, and I don't know this to One time, that's because like we bounce off each other's energy like that.
With ease, bro.
With
Like it's
ease,
with
dog,
ease. Like you can even see it now when we're talking to you now. Like it's crazy, bro.
That's
like,
why
it's crazy.
we been brothers. We're gonna be brothers even when the money comes.
Yeah.
I wanted to say that like we had a conversation with the big OG this other time, like because we look clean, because we look, because we look clean, because we look what, and our videos are clean. Everything about us is like, they think that we have money on top.
and you just pushing, man.
Ish.
Just like
Apparently, that's the reason why they not booking us because we look like we have money. Hey,
Yo. Puma my secret, young. My shots gone. We know my shots. You wanna name and shame niggas?
Sayoski.
Just because we have
Say
iPhones, dog.
Say
Niggas. We shout the chain, dog.
No matter besides though, like hore khaulu ne hore defend do rate ne as an artist. Like you have to take care of your craft, man.
Yeah, true.
Like you have to
True,
make
true.
sure what you put out for
Starts
the
there.
people.
It starts there. It
Yeah,
starts there.
you need to make sure what you put out for the people is beautiful.
Yeah.
It's not what you want, but you know, if you like it, your people are gonna love it also.
Yeah, facts.
So us, we just like keeping our craft beautiful, man.
Yeah, like
I've been saying,
Yeah.
nobody.
We just
has,
happen
like,
to work with niggas like OB.
yeah.
We just happen to work
It
with.
just happened.
That's their work is beautiful.
just keep your craft beautiful. Just
Then-
like make yourself presentable.
Yeah.
Like that's when people are gonna get like because if man you don't take care of your shit, who's gonna give you like
How are you
their
gonna
attention?
get that Don Julio, dog?
Do you think, guys, at one point you're gonna go solo?
Yeah,
Will you?
yeah, obviously, you know, it's gonna come to a point where when so obvious, you know, it's composer.
Yeah.
So it's gonna come to a point where when I've been thinking about these shits though.
Negotiate.
Hey, wabo. O tlo khalla le wena o etsa ntho tsa o le one. Le nna ke wabo.
Yo,
Ke manja.
Do you know what I want though? Like I've always dreamt about it as like a Wu-Tang thing.
Hey,
Because
like,
it has
you
to
get
happen.
solo views,
Yeah.
Just like how
yeah.
Feb was able to go out.
Yeah.
Feb was being able to go out because Kibo is part of the mission.
Yeah.
Because you go, we can't by you. You go. It's like, hey dog, it's
Hey, man,
the
first
442
man-
formation.
First man, first die. If you don't die, that means then
We
you
can
are
go almost one time. So that's why even when we go solo, It's kanahana hore.
Yeah.
It's actually
I'm sure it's a thing because you guys are doing good. Need to foot even worse. I was just asking you in terms of the future foot. Not to say now.
yeah, we need to build,
Yeah.
yo. We need to build.
Yeah.
Okay, one thing I'm gonna say about Sway.
Yeah, what you say? What?
What you say?
Hey, this nigga, no.
one thing I can say about Sway is Sway loves music, man. So most of the time I get these crazy beats, like, and when I keep at and then when I play it in you just Sway, so it's like and then we all know we can't hear Sway here. Mara, he has that pushing boundaries level.
Hey,
That's what I like.
it's
Yeah,
because these
I
niggas
I like that about you actually. Like you
That's
can
crazy.
push boundaries. man.
Yeah, but y'all
crazy.
niggas right
That's
crazy.
crazy. It's crazy.
Like,
It's crazy.
like it's like with Fab, dog. Like, Sishung, I swear, when he was out here with the injury season, remember when we met backstage? I told him, like, when I was saying, when I, so now I was like recently watching, we were like watching the Tupac thing, and I'm like, cause we not Golfell anymore. So I'm like, cause I see Tupac, hey dog, and I see that injury season level. I'm like,
I think everyone was not aware Fabiola was actually referencing from
I don't know.
Tupac.
I don't know.
Yeah, I think Nami is I slept midnight. I did not. Yeah.
So y'all are sleeping on that. Like,
Shit.
we planning. We are the system
Taking
in
a
general,
shot.
dog.
Take a shot for
Hi,
this.
dog.
What? Missing out? For missing
We
out
are
on
the
this?
system, dog. I swear to God, dog. Yo, us really like it be crazy, dog.
Yeah.
Crazy as fuck.
Remember Tupac got mobile nigga. Now niggas wanna kill him.
Yeah. Shit.
There's that iconic.
Sitting on the wheelchair.
Crazy.
Bandages and stuff.
I'm so glad you guys are okay now.
Yeah,
I mean, maybe you guys are okay now and it's all love and all. Are we ever gonna get a song with him?
Oh,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let me spoil it.
Deluxe, exclusive shit, Deluxe.
Okay, on the 22nd of January, man,
hi.
the Deluxe has crazy features. Like,
So Navy, my feet.
Maybe what's the level now?
What's the level?
I think we should let it slide.
But
And I give him cash. So I'm going to
We don't want to lose another OG, dog. What?
Gotta change his dude, okay?
So yeah, about like
Yo, hurry.
the Deluxe is gonna be crazy. I don't wanna lie. There's crazy features.
Yeah. We are live at Navy Green.
You know.
We are live at Navy Green. It's blood.
What you say?
What you say?
We are live, bro. We are live. The location is Navy Green. We just chilling, man. Hits
That's
blunt.
actually what we feel every time we record.
Yeah.
We have to buy W customer in the chat. What you say?
Crazy. Hits blunt. What you say? What's the location?
At the Evergreen.
Navy, W Navy.
Yeah. Hits blunt.
W hits blunt.
Come on.
W OB Gwala.
So the crazy thing is we also gonna be streaming on Spotify.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. We're gonna be streaming on Spotify. So that's another crazy thing.
Shout out.
Yeah, so look out for that. So when you're listening from Spotify,
It's crazy,
it's
man.
very dope. Bro.
Shout out.
So yeah, man. Shout out to Navy Green again. It's a shop. Dispensary in our call, man. We just hitting plants. We have one of the greatest group.
Also, let's go.
Juyo foot even worse. Yeah, so lots of times
It's just the pity we don't have them now because we want to stop niggas.
No. That's my next location for sure.
It has
My
to,
next
it has to.
location for sure. We coming.
Can hop back, Mus.
Yeah. All right. Let's move.
Wait.
Yeah.
the Deluxe, man.
Yeah.
On the 22nd of January.
Yeah.
On the 22nd, like we dropping. So I'm answering the question you asked.
Yeah.
Are we ever gonna get like the mob song?
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure.
There we have it. First time you hearing it.
22nd January.
Hits Plant.
Morotwang Deluxe
Exclusive.
dropping. Also, don't forget to stream Morotwang, the actual mixtape.
Dog, I say we ready, dog. I say we ready, dog.
Exclusive. You heard it first.
I say we ready. Cancel culture, check it out,
You
dog.
heard it first on
But we're not
Hits
saying
Plant. Exclusive.
listen to that song only.
Yeah.
We know y'all been wanting that song. Mare, don't listen to that song only, cause like we trying to make it for the hood, man. Like that's the hood sound. We try to put in more features, cause like on the tape we didn't have like that much features.
Was it always a plan? Good to keep it to Deluxe Vaal?
Yeah.
Did you have tracks already done?
Yeah.
We work overtime.
Yeah.
As we work overtime, so every time we get a chance to like, just know that Moreang is already ready, dog.
Yeah.
It's already ready, yeah. The next project is already ready.
Yeah.
It's just a matter of like pushing.
From where we went to where we going.
Yes.
Now,
sir.
it's gonna be crazy.
Let's
Mare
go.
on the Deluxe, it's crazy underdog features. It's two
People that you don't know.
Yeah. And then it's two mainstream features, which is Fabulous and SP Quid.
Yeah, SP's out here on the feature.
Yeah, and then we try to
Shout
put
out, that's a dope feature. Shout
yeah,
out to
and then we
SPK.
got this other younging Streaky.
Yeah, he's coming through with the proper answer.
Yeah, he's coming.
Yeah.
Streaky's next. Streaky's next.
Yeah, Streaky's
And then we have this other nigga from Maipatile, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Seru.
Seru the Ellipsis or something.
Seru's crazy.
Seru is also crazy.
Josie Connection.
Yeah, he's based in Josie now.
Right.
Then
Looking
there's-
forward to all of this, bro. Can't wait. I think
Can't
I've
wait.
heard Footy.
Oh, Suspect Beasley, dog.
Also Suspect Beasley. Yeah, it's this other younging. It's crazy features, man. I would like for everybody to tap. I don't know about you.
That's dope.
Me, I'm ready,
That's
dog.
dope. That's dope. All right, as before Mzoiva, greatest dead or alive, goats, greatest dead or alive. No particular order, no reason behind it. Just Yako. This is your
My
turn.
my
You can
greatest
make it
goal.
as nice as you want it. Top 5, dead or alive, international, local. This is
Show
your
you
top
my top 5 like goats, dog. Until and when he must be fresh, dog. Number 1, dog. It's like a fucking goat. That's my goat. That's my goat, dog. Until
Let's go.
hold on, that's
This
my
is your
goat.
list, bruh. Good
Dog.
list, yeah.
Boom. Until
Yeah.
he must be fabulous.
Yeah.
Dude, number 2, dog. Until that's my goat, dog. Until
Yeah. Abash.
he must be sweet, dog. Those are my goats, dog. Dead or alive. Dead or alive, dog. Dead or alive, dog. I say. Those are like those are my
All time.
all
bruh.
time. Cause
Yeah.
I'm not. Yeah, I don't know. Those people are the people that make me wanna be me.
Yeah.
Until if it wasn't for those people, I don't think I was gonna be a He Must Be Say, dog.
Okay.
For real. Those are my goats.
All right.
Fela.
No, but it's your list. It's your list, man. Nigga. It's your list.
Fela.
I'll just take a shot for that list. I like this list. Shots for this list. I like this list.
W shots, W kombucha. W kombucha in the chat.
What you say?
Stop playing. Okay, my dead or alive idols.
Yeah.
The mob,
Ah,
number 1, obvious. The mob, the whole mob. Yeah.
Yeah, you tell me.
Mabani kashino sane next week. La ripora tabeli dara. Bayas bonki ukuthi. Bayas bonki ita. Bayas bonki ukuthi ita. This is
Yeah.
this is siyafufa. Ita. They must be the mob number 1.
Number 1.
Yeah, and then Sayari the Kid.
What?
Sayari the
Already
Kid.
on the top 5, on the top 2 level.
Yeah.
Okay.
I mean, like Like, what's a list without your top one, but it's shared by the goats?
H-Dog.
But yeah, the mob number 1, Sorry the Kid. Number 2, Drake.
Yeah.
Yeah, obvious.
Drake,
Yeah, no, this list I can sound very fresh. You know, Drake.
Drake is Drake.
Drake is Drake.
Yeah.
Drake is Drake. Drake is Drake. Eli Saw Stray. Eli Saw Stray. Bryson Tiller.
Yo. The list is the top 5 list.
What?
Yeah, I think, yeah.
Come on, I list yakho mfethu ngeke sikuluyise ngelist yakho.
Yeah, I mean,
We'll fight you, man.
that's the
We'll
inspiration.
fight you.
That's the inspiration. Like, even though we do it the Venezuela way,
Yeah.
but there's a whole lot of international going on in our sound.
Yeah. Crazy.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
All right, no, bruh. I'm happy, bruh. I'm happy with everything. I think I'm on the question. I have 2 last questions.
Yeah.
And be mushy with this again.
Movie likes drama, bro.
Respect or love.
Respect the love.
Are we taking shots on this or what?
Respect or love. It's the both level.
It's the both.
It's the both level. I'm taking shots.
on this.
Respect the love.
I'll choose. You can't choose between respect or love.
Wait, I think Fresh Nati is thinking he can do without love, bruh. Fresh
How?
Nati is thinking that. Why are you thinking about this?
I wanna think of a way to dissect it. You know me. Me, I
You
like.
can do it, bruh. Fuck love.
Me, I want respect only, bro.
Let this motherfucker respect me.
Respect me only, bro.
Mari, love comes with respect.
Yeah.
Respect comes with love.
That's what I'm saying. Fresh is
Baba, so-
Styela give fresh, dog. That's all.
Alright, let me.
Yeah, short.
Shut. Watch it.
Sabatlo.
When
It's
the
about
drama,
you.
you know the drama. You say I like drama.
I'm telling you.
Yeah.
Loyalty or power.
They talk loyalty, money, power, and respect.
And this is definitely my last one.
Dog.
So I
Since
want to
you-
know on loyalty. I want to know on power.
That's like the craziest thing in the entire world.
Yeah.
Like that's like what a lot of people can't do about loyalty. Loyalty is crazy, dog.
Yeah.
Not a lot of people are loyal. Like not a lot, especially when you get power.
Yeah.
So that's why I'm saying, I thought without loyalty and power and respect, I don't think you can work. In general, you need to understand, okay, dog, with that power that we actually have as me and friends now, and the voice that we have, because we can speak to a lot of
You guys are
people.
leaders of the new school.
What
All
the-
the kids are looking up to you.
Like we
now.
could easily
It's
diss,
happening.
dog, and
Yeah.
then and then make somebody's career feel janjang or what. Not because of like where we at now, or whatever. Like I'm literally still the same old say.
Don't lose that shit, guys. Like I love this for you guys. Like this thing you have, it's amazing, and it's so nice because you're not even forcing it or anything. Like in natural.
Yeah,
So don't lose that, bro. Even if they say arrogant or like,
Yeah.
pride works for you and it's your shit. You know who you are for the end of the
yeah,
day.
that's the thing. Like
Yeah.
we've been working
You've
to be
been,
these
yeah.
people until
Took a long time.
yo, it took a long time.
Yeah.
And still we have so long to go. Like
Yeah.
we're not just past until Mara 2026, dog. I don't know. We blowing up.
Yeah, it feels like a great year. Feels like a
Just
great-
sincerely move, fam.
Up here.
Yeah.
I'm telling you.
All right, now guys, I am wrapping it up. I don't know what else do we need to emphasize on. What else I didn't touch on? Is there something else you want to say to the viewers at home?
Okay. We are on at the GBV level, man.
Yeah.
Hey, stop GBV.
At the GBV
what?
level, man.
Stop that levels, man. Ja.
Serious things.
Like the Vaal now, it's like I wake up every day, dog. I'm even scared that my girlfriend has to go to like town on her own and stuff.
Yeah.
because of so much things happening around community now and so on.
Yeah, the GBV level is not the right one, my niggas.
Yeah, them VCA niggas need to like literally go after them niggas who doing those things, cause like for the longest time, as part of like the culture in Vaal, they watching us. Like, can y'all just like little negative press now, cause people are dying, you know, come on, you put GBV. It's all the levels, it's all the bad things. Like, yo, dog, we fought so much to like divert from like all those negative things. That's why we've never spoke about beef. That's why you've never seen us on the internet saying, hey, where the mama. Because that shit is like overrated, dog. We need Lantana, dog. Until
No,
That's the
we
level.
need to love each other only, dog.
yeah, stay like this, guys.
Please love your girls, niggas, man. You didn't. Al-Mashah Abafaz.
Yeah.
I'm
It's
gonna
not
need
nice.
get it.
L-man.
Yeah, it's not nice waking up to tabloid saying like 2 bodies of women found
It's
somewhere.
not nice.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
Because if it's Tina, when we see about time, if it's
Nah, so
I go to see about time and JJ.
They trying to raise niggas with the Zulu computer.
No, man, like I'm
Fam, bro.
unrespect about fast. They bring life, those people. So please, niggas, don't shy women, don't beat women, love women.
Yeah.
Focus on making money. Stop
Let's make
doing
this
drugs.
money, dog.
Yeah, stop doing drugs.
Let's have fun. Let's follow our dreams.
Let's go.
Let's stop looking at like the people. The best advice that I ever got when last year when we were supposed to job, but we didn't. The best advice was say, like focus on the people that actually love you and so on. About those 12 people, keep on about. Yeah. About those 12 people are the people that actually matter. And so on.
Yeah.
So yeah, dog, do that shit. Otherwise, guitar shit, more banning. Guitar before Christ, you know.
Guitar BC.
It was already going Brazil, guitar.
Shout out Evergreen. Shout out the private club. Shout out my brother. Shout out the Eye. Shout out
Navy.
Shout out my brothers
Navy.
over there.
Curious.
Shout out everybody, man. Shout out
Episode 3 hits blunt.
Shout out,
Come
come
on,
on, guitar, it's a rap. Nothing else to say after that. Nothing else to say after that. Guys, thank you so much for coming through. Thank you so much. All the best, guys.
Shout out for the
All the
invite.
all the best with whatever you're gonna be doing now with the Deluxe. I hope it does wonders. Take over. I'm here.
Life
You know I'm
changes.
here. If your
Life
numbers
changes.
hit me up for anything.
Don't say that even on camera.
Come on, let's go. Any day. You have my numbers. Any day.
It's Deluxe way.
Yeah, Deluxe way. Yes,
January.
when I was planning on doing this interview, and I know you guys are the future, and I know what everything that's
means a
happening.
lot,
My problem was not to tap into the mob itself, because I know there's so much with the mob, and now that's how like as if it shy away from you guys doing great. So we forcing why did the mob break up?
No.
Why is it fabulous not
Let
better?
me tell you.
Like, why are we even focusing on this if it's working, guys? It's working, but it's there.
Let me tell you.
It's shining, Lapakona. You guys are shining on your
That's
shit.
great.
That's what I wanted to focus on today. This is why I did not go into the mob and everything else. I got to the mob because shout out to Fabulous. Shout out to Sway, shout out to Fash.
Like it's the mob that's actually.
Shout out, guys. You're doing well, guys. You're doing great, my friend. This is why I did not even want to touch on the soapy shit, because I know there's so much and there's so much. And now
There's like 20%.
Yeah.
This episode, man.
Yeah.
It's like 20% of.
Let's go.
Whatever.
Let's go, guys.
There's a lot
Let's
of
go. I loved what you said with this album, the album that you dropped last year. It was a release for you. It was a way of saying you're moving on.
From everything.
Bro, I was like, this is it. This is the energy you need to take.
That's
So,
why
shout
it's a
out,
no
my babe.
skip.
Shout out. Let's
No
go.
skip tape.
Let's
No
go.
skip tape, dog.
Vaal
From
hip hop
someone.
all day. We are out.
in the
OB1,
video.
none other. Signing out.
Also, clap this slap. I just hope the podcast just goes places.
Yes.
So that we come back after we blow up 4 times.
okay,
With
okay,
ease,
okay,
with ease,
okay,
with ease.
okay,
Come back when we
okay.
blow up.
With ease.
So we
Let's
come
go.
back when we blow up and tell the
I
people,
receive,
"Ah,
I
now we
receive,
doing
I
good.
receive.
We like what y'all doing. Let's
We
just keep that
receive.
going.
Yes.
You just say you told say that he's still like 3 blessings.
Okay.
Receive. Yeah, shout out to David Green, man. Shout out to Idacop. Thank you so much for hosting me, man.
Yes, sir.
3 weeks,
Shout out to
okay.
high.
3 weeks. Yeah.
Get it down.
Get it down.
Yes, sir. Tell it to us,
Guys, tell it to me, man, please. Tell it to me, man.
Mati.
People